Hello everyone, welcome back to another 3 Minutes at 3.
Today's topic is directing your mindset.
So mindset is everything in business. You can have good mindsets or bad mindsets based upon your goals, your particular goals for your business, life, anything really. It's very important to take and craft a kind of mindset that is always positive. And you want to be a forever optimist. Because chances are, if you're sowing bad seed out there, you're going to reap a bad harvest. And those seeds are your thoughts. So if you keep on saying it's going to rain today, it's going to rain today, going to rain today, going to rain today, the first sign of even just a slight sprinkle, you're like, aha!
Knew it.
I was right. I knew it was going to rain. And then you're going to say after that, well, rain is going to ruin my day. It's going to ruin my day. It's going to ruin my day. And you're going to have a terrible day. So mindset really is everything.
Yeah, so part of this, then you're talking about being intentional, not just letting your emotions rule your moment, your situation, your day, but by directing it, you're taking charge and you're saying, I'm going to go this way with my thoughts and my attitude. Yeah.
So, one of those things, I'll be completely candid here with this 3 Minutes at 3. So we usually film these after our kids have went off to bed for the evening. So these are usually filmed at night. For those who don't know, we very rarely get to do these in the morning. And so we've worked a full day, and it's very easy to get into kind of like that mindset, like, oh man, it's such a drag. We got to set up the camera. We got to find a reason to be positive and things like that. Or we can take on the mindset of, we are going to think positive. We are going to have an impact on somebody. We are going to speak out there to everybody else who's maybe had a hard day too, and we're going to try to sow into your all's lives. And that is a mindset thing, because if it wasn't a mindset thing, I'd be in bed already. It's probably like midnight right now. So, I'd be in bed by now.
Yeah.
If I didn't have that proper mindset, that we're here for you all to try to uplift you in our evenings.
Right. Yeah. And we have goals, we're putting in the extra hours right now because we have certain goals that we would like to meet for ourselves too.
Yeah, which you have to put in that extra work and that extra hustle. And you can look at that as a negative thing, like, oh, I don't ever get to spend enough time with my wife in the evening or playing video games or whatever. Ultimately, you make your own schedule, and, you need to be accepting of that, accepting that maybe just, some evenings we don't feel like doing this. We just lay back, watch a movie.
Yeah.
Things like that. But, have a good mindset. Have a good mindset. Whatever it is, think positively about it, and you will get a lot of positivity in return. So that's it for this 3 Minutes at 3. We thank you all for joining us.
Thanks for coming along.
And we really hope you enjoyed it. And like we always say, God bless you.
And we'll catch you on the next one.